Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective drink that lowers high blood pressure. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. You just need two ingredients to make this healthy drink. The first one is garlic and the second one is lady's finger or okra. You need 2 garlic cloves to make this drink. Garlic is a very healthy ingredient. It has a lot of medicinal properties. It is highly nutritious and has a very few calories. The active compounds in garlic can reduce blood pressure. Garlic improves cholesterol levels, which may lower the risk of heart disease. Contains antioxidants, detoxifies heavy metals in the body and improves bone health. Peel off the skin and chop them into small chunks like this. Get this ready. Lady's finger on the other hand is a very healthy ingredient. It aids weight loss, lowers cholesterol, controls blood sugars, lowers blood pressure, helps in better digestion, builds immunity, improves eyesight and helps in hair growth. Chop off the ends and cut them into small pieces. Now we have everything ready, so let's check out how to make this healthy drink. Keep ready 1 cup of hot water in a pan like this. To this add the chopped garlic and chopped lady's finger. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted to the water. Close it with a lid and let this rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, strain and add it to a mug like this. Now a healthy drink to lower pressure is ready. Drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. If you suffer acidity, then you can eat a date 10 minutes prior to this drink. Also make sure to have your breakfast after an hour to drinking this fat cutter drink. You can avoid this drink if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this healthy drink that lowers blood pressure at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Heat a mud pot and to this add 3 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 cup of chopped lady's finger and fry them in medium flame for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, remove the lady's finger from the oil and set it aside. To the remaining oil, add 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek and 1/4 teaspoon of split urad dal. When they brown a little, add 2 dried red chilies, few curry leaves, 2 green chilies, 6 garlic pods and 10 shallots. Saute well until the shallots turns transparent. Then to this add 1 tomato finely chopped. Saute well until the tomato turns mashy. Now the tomato is well cooked, so go ahead and add the spices. Add a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of coriander powder and 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix it well until the raw flavor of the spices goes off. Then to this add the fried lady's finger and mix it well. Now go ahead and add 1 cup of tamarind juice and mix it well. Let this come to a boil. Then to this add 2 cups of water and mix it well. Let this boil in medium flame for 10 minutes. Let this cook until the water reduces and we get a nice and thick masala consistency. Now we have it right and a delicious lady's finger curry is ready. Serve it hot with some steamed rice and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a quick side dish recipe. So do try this lady's finger curry recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you liked this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.